Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Teams on Windows step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type Microsoft Teams download into the search bar. Press the Enter key to search. Locate the official Microsoft Teams download page in the search results. Click on the link to open the page. On the download page, look for the Download for Desktop button. Click the button to start the download. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Teams installer file, typically named Teams_Windows_x64.exe. Double-click on the installer file to launch it. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation. The Teams installation process will begin automatically. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, the Teams application will open automatically. If not, search for Microsoft Teams using the Windows search bar. Click on the Teams app to launch it. You will be prompted to sign in. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft Teams account. Click Sign in to proceed. If applicable, enter your password. Follow any additional prompts to complete the sign-in process. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Microsoft Teams on your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.